Hi guys, Steph here. Now, for you regular viewers that watch on a regular basis, you would have seen this particular pen here. There we go. What a lovely pen as it is. As you can see, needs a new lever and just a little bit of work. And after that little bit of work, here's the pen in question. A lovely Conway Stewart 73 in this lovely green lined hatch pattern with gold filled or gold plated trim. First of all, straight away, there you go. You can see what I've done. I've installed a new lever for the pen. Obviously, what I've also done is disassemble the whole pen, put a new sack, cleaned everything, and hopefully everything is in working order. Now, the Conway Stewart 73, the size of it capped is 136 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's approximately 10.5 millimeters in diameter. If we take you up to the cap there, you can see it's got these three cap bands, a rather wider one in the middle and two sort of thinner ones to each side there. It's got the very recognizable Conway Stewart clip, as you can see there, with the Conway Stewart logo to the top. And to the very top, we've got this peaked stud to the top there, which, there you go, sort of matches the end of the barrel, which is also peaked. Now, the 73 model came out around about the 1950s. They also brought this model out in some very, very sought after attractive colours, like the hatch pattern, which is this one. This one, as you can see, is the green. They also brought out a burgundy and blue hatch pattern as well. And they also brought them out in the very attractive herringbone patterns, again, in different colours. So, an absolutely gorgeous pen. Quite a long, slim pen, as you can see there, and by the size of the pen, but a gorgeous pen. Now this one, when I actually disassembled it, it still had the original Conway Stewart sack inside, just needed a little bit of cleaning. It's seen hardly any use at all, and I'm just looking over the camera to show you the barrel imprint. There you go, a lovely clear barrel imprint, Conway Stewart 73, made in England. So a stunning example. Now, I think I actually showed you one of these about 5 years ago. So, yeah, I know I'm doing a repeat video, but it's a gorgeous pen, and it obviously merits a review. If we take you up to this section, you can see it's got the very recognisable sort of standard section, slight ridge towards the nib. And the nib there, you can see, reads Conway Stewart 14ct gold. Okay, and then to the bottom, you'll see it's the number 4 nib, which is the correct nib for this pen. Sideways view. There's the feed underneath. As always, everything gets thoroughly cleaned, the feed, the ink channels internally. So lovely and clean. Although it's a slim pen, I've got large hands, and for me, it's still a nice, comfortable pen to hold and to write with. So what we'll do, because I know you people like to see these pens writing, also well, what we'll do, we're going to be looking for a new home for the pen. Okay, so just give it a couple of squeezes. Okay, let's just give it a wipe. Pop the ink to one side and let's bring on our pad. So let's see how it writes. So hopefully somebody will enjoy the pen for many years. So what we've got is a Conway Stewart, and as we said, this is the number 73 from around about the 1950s. Made in England. It doesn't have any sort of flex to it. It's writing, although there's no flex, there's a little bit of spring in the nib itself, so it's a nice writer. But if we do sort of a downward stroke and a cross stroke, you can see I'm saying it's going to be writing with a medium line. Although saying that, all right, we've run out of ink. Right, I don't think I actually dipped the whole section into the ink, so I think we've just done a dip test. But there you go, you can see the writing sample, writing absolutely gorgeous, and as I said, I would say with a medium line, but writing very nicely indeed. So there we have it, an absolutely stunning example. And I know you people like to see the before and after. So as I said, apart from just the lever which I've installed there, to be quite honest with you, it didn't need a great deal doing to the pen. It was in nice condition as it was, but what we've done, we've just spruced it up a little bit, and it's now looking like a brand new pen. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this gorgeous pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, people, you're not giving me a thumbs up. Please give the video a thumbs up if you will. Subscribe, leave a comment down below as well, don't be shy. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini from me and this gorgeous pen. I'm just going to say bye-bye for now.